Good morning. Today is January 25th, 2024. Wanted to do a quick video this morning because I'm getting a lot of questions on how I am getting clout lines since we are trading near or at all-time highs and we're trading above the cloud. I want to show you how I'm getting those. I know in the past we've been trading SPY using TC2000 software. SPY does not have any clout lines currently. I want to go ahead and show you that in Thinkorswim. Here's SPY. I go into my daily right here. I need to go back to see all my years of clout lines. The highest clout line is right here from this 2021 level. Right here, actually. That's the highest one, which is currently at what is that, 469 or something like that. Right now price is trading at 474, so there's no clout lines. We have to wait till price drops or price catches up. Let me show you that. Starts trading back into this range, and eventually we're going to pass it over here, and then this will become the top clout line once we get past this level, but that's not until March. So currently I'm actually trading in ES or went to Thinkorswim program to trade MES or ES because TC2000 does not trade futures, and that's the reason why. For some reason, I did this in MES, and I don't want to change it because all my lines are in there already. So what I do is I go into settings here, okay, guys? Up here, you have a whole bunch of options. I click on futures. Make sure that adjust for contract changes, okay? There's a big change between when it's not adjusted, when it is adjusted. This allows you to get the lines because it takes the contract rollover into effect. And even if we start trading above the current lines that we have now, in March when the contract rolls over, we will have additional lines available to us. So I click adjust for contract changes, show extended hours trading session, hit apply. All right, then you can go see here how I did that. If you go back, I guess 3 years again, and you go back and you can see right here you have the extra lines right above here. Okay, price is currently trading at 48.12. I'm sorry, at where are we trading at? We're currently trading at 48.97 right in here. So all these lines are all valid. Okay, this is the top line, which is at 49.17. If you go back 10 years with the contract rollover, let me show you that real quick. I'll just go 15 years. All right, you can see that the high, assuming all those contract changes and so forth are up here. I actually can draw some lines just based off of these columns right here at 49, right in here, 49.05, 49.51. I mean, you can start drawing lines yourself, not based on clout lines if you need to, but that's how you do it, guys. And then once that's set, you have your lines. You can go to a 5-minute chart. I like to actually go in a 1-minute chart. We can see what it's doing today. Yesterday, actually, we traded way up here to this 439 level. I actually tried to start shorting it here, which I did. Then I took profit here, went long, shorted it again, got stopped out over here. Then it traded all the way up here, and then it just sold off down to this line. Reshorted it here, actually, took profit again. Didn't trade again, but then you can see it perfectly traded down to our level here at 48.8907. It's bounced since then. We're bouncing around this 4897 level. GDP is coming out at 8:30 a.m. That's why I'm trying to get this video out this morning. If it's bad, if I scroll out a little bit here on a 30-minute chart, you can really see that there's obviously some support around this 48.3322 level. If it breaks below this, 48.72 should be support. But if it breaks, we can drop pretty low. We can drop all the way down to 48.35, or you have to just kind of gauge it because 48.35 here, there's some support here. But I just traded from level to level. So right now, my game plan here will be wait till GDP comes out, wait to see how price reacts. If we jump up here to 49.17, I may look to short that again. I think we are due for a correction. I think we need a new base. I don't think we're going much higher for now. But, you know, I could be wrong. I'm letting price dictate where I'm going to go. If we drop below this 48.89 level, then 40.83 is next. Drop below that, I may look to short to 48.72, these areas right in here. This line right here, this orange line. Oh, sorry. Let me go back into that real quick. This red line right here is 48.64, is a big long line on the daily. If I go on the daily account right here, I can try to show it to you daily. 3 years. Let me go into here. All right. What it is this long red line. Hold on, let me see if I can really zoom in here. I always, this is why I don't really love trading in TOS, because it's a pain in the ass to use compared to TC2000. But you can see right here, this orange line right here, this 48.67 level is big support because it's a long line. Sorry, not the red line, this line. The red line is for me to short if it drops below this line. But this 48.67.75, if GDP is bad, I can see us trading back down to here and then maybe a bounce. So that's what I'm looking for. We'll see if it happens or not, but I'm fully aware how big this line is. If we trade below here, then I'm going to look to short under 48.64 because I think we may retest all these levels below it. Okay, this is a short video. I hope that makes sense and explains how I'm getting the lines when we're trading at all-time highs. We trade above this 49.17. I don't have any lines. You can start looking at other things like, for example, oil. Here's an oil one. We're within a cloud right now, so that's not the best. We can look at gold, which is GC. Let me see here what we got going on. I did trade some oil yesterday, but I don't like when price action's in the cloud. It's also in the cloud because you have to use both sides, so don't pay attention to these lines. They're not correct. Let's see, what else? Bitcoin, maybe. We can see if there's any lines for Bitcoin. It's also, everything is kind of trading in the cloud, so we're just kind of wait and hold. I really want to see price action above or below for me to be able to trade it. But right now we have MES, so that's okay. All right. One other thing real quick. Let me go into see what's going on for news action of today. Hold on one second. I got to pull it up because I don't have it up. Trader. Okay. This here is the trade exchange. If you're interested in the trade exchange, you can go onto my Twitter account, which is right up here. You can apply. There's a code for a 3-month service, normally $99 for 3 months, but there's a $20 discount if you use Candlesticks with an X. That's Candle STIX. We do get paid an affiliation fee if you sign up, but I think it's one of the best news service there is. This is what it looks like for today. You can actually set this up anywhere on your computer. You can downsize it. It's really nice. You can enable the auto scroll, so it auto scrolls, kind of gives you news and stocks, what's up, what's down, and so forth. I always start my day with the morning mashup, which is right there, comes out normally around 7-ish, give or take. So this kind of gives you an idea of what is on the economic calendar, what's happening for today. You can see right here, we've got a big number, GDP and durable goods at 8:30 a.m., so I'm going to go get ready for that. It got jobless claims. There's a whole lot of information that's probably going to move the market significantly. We could jump right back up to its highs, or we can trade down to that, 48, what did I say, 48.67 number. If it trades below 48.64, maybe a further short. We just have to wait and see what. I do not trade the actual news. I just wait because a lot of times the first reaction is not the correct reaction. So I just wait for it to play out. There's always an opportunity in the market. And, even if the market only moves 3 or 4 points, then I can make my money with sizing up in contracts. If it's really moving, I can make money with sizing down in contracts. It's how you control risk for me. And then I can always place my stop orders right below each clout line and so on, like you see me do on Twitter. All right, so see what else is happening here at the trade exchange. I don't really see anything else. I don't know why this is so small because normally it's bigger, but hopefully you can read that. Anyway, it kind of gives you the highlighted analyst activity, top after hours overnight companies, IBMC strong cash flow, planned job cuts, pre-market movers, top earnings for the week, and so on. This is a nice little thing that takes 2 minutes of your time. It's really nice to know what the hell is going on. So, I know not to trade at, 10 a.m. could be wholesale inventories, 1 p.m. it's a 7-year note auction. So those are things I need to pay attention to because they could move the markets. And then if you're wondering why all of a sudden a drop happens, you know why. Because of the news event. Again, it's also nice to have this scrolling because if there is some kind of news event, it tells you. Right now, Tesla below 190 pre-market, so Tesla getting cut. Anyway, hope this helps. See you out there. Thanks for listening, and please like, please subscribe, and talk to you soon.